Hello students, today we are going to study interval of subsets of R and power set, universal set and singleton set. So our first topic is interval of subset of R. So what is interval? Interval means suppose you take 2 points. Okay, 2 points in real number. 2 belongs to R and 3 belongs to R. 2 points you are asked to take from real number. Then put this point in the real line. Consider it in the real line. 2, 3, 1, 0. Okay, so this is your real number line. So if I ask you to take all the points between 2 and 3 but except 2, 3, then that interval will call open interval 2, 3. That this means every point between 2 and 3, that means it may be 2.001, 002, 5, 3, 3, dot, 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 3, whatever, 2.012, 2.53, whatever. Between 2 and 3, you are permitted to take any point between 2 and 3, but you are not permitted to take boundary points. That is, 2 does not belong to 2, 3, and 3 does not belong to 2, 3. This is open interval. This is called open interval. Here it is the definition. You can see it's called the open interval. Why? Such that y is less than a is less than y is less than b. Here I have given example 2. You can take this a as 2 and you can take this b as 3. So all the elements between a and b means all the elements between 2 and 3. Now close interval. What is close interval? Close interval means that you are permitted to take the boundary point. That is, 2 belongs to 2, 3. And here you have to write like this, 2, 3, or close interval 2, 3 like this. 3 belongs to 2, 3. This is open interval, this is closed. So there are other intervals also, 2, 3. Here you are asked to take only 3 boundary points. You are not permitted to take 2. And if you write like this, then here you are permitted to take 2, but not permitted to take this 3. That means 2 belongs to 2, 3, but 3 does not belong to 2, 3. Now we draw the interval. How to draw an interval? Suppose you are in the exam, you are asked to draw 2, 3. Draw 2, 3 in real number line. Then how will you do that? The way is that you just draw the real number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then see, you are the interval is 2, 3, and it is open interval. Open interval means you are not permitted to take the boundary point. So you have to write like this, 2, a circle, and here it also a circle, but these circles are not bold. Not bold means inside the circle this is hollow. Okay, so this is your 2, 3 interval. But if I ask you to draw the close interval 2, 3, then it will look like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to write like this. You have to bold this circle, 2, 3. This is your close interval 2, 3. So here you can see this is open interval AB, this is close interval AB, this is bold. You can see this is bold. Here it is one side bold because one side closed, one side open. So another side is not bold. So like this. Power set. What is power set? Suppose you have a set A equal to 1, 2, and I ask you to take all the subset of this set. Then what will be the subsets? 1 is the subset, 2 is the subset, 1, 2 is the subset of A, and at last 5. 5 means I have told in previous classes that phi is the subset of every set. That means phi is a subset of this. Phi is subset of this also. Every set. Phi is a subset of every set. And the set itself is a subset of every set. Subset of, sorry, this is, I wrote it belongs to, this should be subset symbol. Okay. Again, A is a subset of every set. A is a subset of itself. That means 1, 2 is a subset of itself. Every element of 1, 2 is in 1, 2. So it is a subset of itself. So now if you take a set which contains all the subsets of A, then that will be called power set of A. What is power set of A? What set? You are asked to take all the subsets of 1 and 2. All the subsets of A. All the subsets of A. So this is power set of A. Now another one question comes, the how many elements are there in the power set of A? Suppose you are given a set A equal to AB. How many elements are in the set? This is two elements, 1, 2. Now the elements in the power set will be given by a formula 2 to the power n. The elements in the power set is given by this formula 2 to the power n. Here 2 is fixed, n means 2. Here this n means number of element in the given set. Number of element is 2, so you have to write 2, so it is 4. So if you write the power set of AB, then number of element in the power set will be 4. How? Try to write the power set A, B, AB, AB, AB and 5. So there are 4 number of elements. Okay. Next, universal set. Universal set is a set. Suppose you have some sets also. Okay, 1, 2 is a set you have. 2, 3 is a set you have. 1, 2, 3 is a set. 3 are sets you have. So if these all sets are contained in another set, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. This set contains all this. 1, 2, 1, 2 is here. You can see 2, 3 is here. 1, 2, 3 is here. So this set is called universal set of this sets. Okay, got my point? Okay. So if you write 1, 2, 3, this is also an universal set. 1, 2, 3 it's also an, because all the elements of these sets are in here, no? So this is an universal set of all this. So try. So I have asked you to, it is given in the set builder form. I have asked you to write these things in interval. How will you write? See these two notation, inequalities, two inequalities, less than and less than equal. Less than means you are asked to take the open interval, and less than equal to means you are asked to take the closed interval. So I have written this. So if you convert to this interval, it will look like this: -4, 6. Here there is no equal sign, only less than, so I have written only small bracket. Here it is equal sign is also there, so I have written close bracket. So here both are only less than sign. So this is finished. And number 2 solution, the interval will be -12 comma -10. So this is. So if I give another third option, x such that x belongs to R, -2 is -2n is less than, x is less than 1, less than equal to, less than equal to. If I give you this set, then you have to write the interval like this. So -2 close interval 1. So here it is. Next, singleton set. What is singleton set? The singleton set means the set in which contains only and only one element. Only one element. So see, the set of natural number less than 2. Set of natural number less than 2. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. But the natural number less than 2 is only 1, which is 1 itself. So if I ask you to take it as a set, then this will be a singleton set. Singleton set means only one element will be there. Okay, next is a very important example. Which of the following is a singleton set? First one, will the first one is a singleton set? Check. So what this condition is given, then modulus of x equal to 5. So okay, what are the possibilities of x? -5 is the possibilities of x, because -5 modulus, if you take modulus of -5, then it will be 5. If you take modulus of 5, then it will be also 5. So possibilities of x are -5 and 5. But you cannot take x equal to -5 because it is not a natural number. It does not belong to natural number. Why? See, here it is given that your x should be in natural number. So the only element in the set is 5. So if you write it in the row star form, then the set will be look like this. Okay, so it is a singleton set. So if b is, see b in the similar manner, if you try to make b, then here you can see that minus 6 equal to 6 plus 6 equal to 6. So this set minus 6 is also there, 6 is also there, and both are this integer. You are given that you have to take integer, so the set will look like minus 6 and 6, because you have to take minus 6 here, because the given condition is x should be an integer. Minus 6 is an integer, so you can take minus 6. But in the previous condition, in the previous problem was, it was only you are asked to take natural number, so I have written only minus 5. I have ignored my or I have written only 5. I have ignored minus 5. Why? Only because you are asked to take natural number. But in the second problem, you are asked to take integer, so I have written minus 6 and 6, so it is not a singleton set. So option B is wrong. Option C, so you are asked to take all those x, all those natural x, that means x should be a natural number and square of the natural number should be 1. Now say first natural number is 1, square of the natural number is also 1, which is not equal to 7. So you cannot take 1 in this set. So that means 1 does not belong to this set. 1 does not belong to this set. Next, 2 square equal to 4, which is not equal to 7. So 2 does not belong to the given set. Last 3 equal to 9 does not equal to 7. Sorry, these are equal, does not equal to 7. Then 3 does not belong to this set. So see, you have crossed, you have here you got 4, you got here 9. 7 is between 4 and 9. Okay, 7 is in between 4 and 9. So there is no possibilities other natural number can have. So other natural number can have 7, because you have, this is 4, this is 9. So 7 must be in between of this, and for 7 there is no natural number whose square is 7. So this set is 5. Option D. Option D, you are asked to solve this equation. Okay, you are asked to solve this equation. Try to solve. How will you solve? X plus twice x plus 1 equal to 0. So it will be x plus 1 equal to 0. That means x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 1. See, you got x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 1. But you are asked to take only natural number of x. But here you have got integer number of x, minus, negative. So negative cannot be natural. So this set is also 5. The only correct answer is this singleton 5. Last, power set. Write the power set. I have written a power set for 1, 2 in previous slides. Now I will write power set for this set. What will be the power set? PA. Give a big bracket, a small bracket, then 1 will be there, 2 will be there, 3 will be there, 4 will be not there, 1 2 will be there, 2 3 will be there, 1 3 will be there, and 1 2 3 will be there. At the end 5 will be there. Okay, this is the power set, your required answer. Now element in the power set, number of element in the power set. What will be the number of element in the power set? Number of element in the power set will be 2 to the power 3. Why 3? Because there are 3 elements. See, this is 8. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 elements are there. Okay, done. Thank you.